So, hello everyone, कैसे हो? So, my name is Arun Shabar, and in this video, I would like to tell you my experience of Alphora Tech interview. So, personally speaking, I don't believe that I will clear the interview because there are few circumstances that happened that ensures me that I will not able to clear this interview. What are these? Then I will tell you in this video. So, firstly, when I got my interview, it was scheduled for 11:45. I entered the Zoom. I entered in the Google Meet, and then I was in the waiting room. So I was waiting for at least 10 minutes. Then I thought maybe there was something network issue, or is this any wrong link? So I thought. Then again I exited lobby. Again re-entered and all. So suddenly a call came, and it was called Sana HR. So she asked me that Zarnab speaking. Yes ma'am, who are you? So मैं HR बोल रही हूँ और आपका ऐसा ऐसा इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल है, तो आप कहाँ पे हो? तो मैं बोला मैम मैं लॉबी में हूँ, वेटिंग लॉबी में, सो यू कैन प्लीज एडमिट मी. So okay, then she entered me, and then there was me, and that's it, no one else. So starting off, he asked me that, "No, how are you?" I'm fine, sir. What about you? He told that, "Fuck, bro." He told that, "I'm also good. What about you?" and all. So we will start interview in about 5 minutes. Okay, sir. That's it. So I was just sitting and all, memorizing what I was learning. So Alphabet interview was about STEM training. Basically, what is STEM? Science, Tech, STE engineering, STEA, A for arts, and M for mathematics. These are the core subjects of STEM training. Training means I have to learn some techs, robotics, AI, वगैरह वगैरह, and explain it to different children and all. And this is it. So this is the thing that what Alpha Tech do, and this was the job role that they were hiring for. So this was it. And again, now let's start the interview. Firstly, he asked me that, give me your introduction. I gave him my introduction. I have interest in this, and this. I have interest in robotics and all. Specifically जो भी कंपनी में रिक्वायर्ड होता है मैं उसका इंटरेस्ट बता देता हूँ, और ये मेरा इंट्रो होता है, ठीक है. So the next question that he asked me that, okay, you have interest in this, then how did it develop? Because you are in mechanical engineering, then how did you get interest in this? तो मैंने बताया कि 12वीं में ऐसा ऐसा था, मैं अच्छा था, तो मैंने पीसी में अच्छा था, तो मैंने साइंस ले ली. और उसके बाद मुझे फिजिक्स पसंद थी, तो मैंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग ले ली. और and now as I am in engineering, all of my friends are doing coding and all sorts of stuff that help me to gain the interest in this field as well. So these are the two things that will help me to grow in your company, and that's it. This helps for that. So okay, so fine. As you're in a final semester of your engineering, yes sir, then you must have completed a project or something. Okay, yes sir, we have done a project. And what was the project? I elaborated him that we have done a parking gateway system, where if a car enters, and the QR will scan, and uh, where QR will scan the car, and it will allot a vacant location for the car, so that the car doesn't have to doesn't have to find any vacant space. It will get the vacant space in the app or something like that, and car will directly be able to go through that, and it will reduce hassle, improve efficiency and all. But there are so many factors that I told him that these are the plus point. So then he told me that there's a app called Park Now, something like that. He explained me the basic steps of that, the what that app do, that it also scans all. Yeah, same लग रहा है, क्या बोलूँ, ठीक है. Okay sir, I guess these are the same things. So this is it. Okay sir, that told me that okay project same हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. Now, so what next? How did you implemented AI in this your project? I told that basically, sir, how implemented is we did a deep research and all that helped me to give a demographic area of India, and how can we implement it in India. So I told that as India is a developing nation, and whatever I am telling you that this system is only applicable in tier 1 cities and in high societies. Does that only this it needs a lot of improvement to get implemented in tier 3 cities and small cities and towns as well. So it will require a really huge time. So this was the basic geographical data, that what am I playing with in this, and how can we implement it in a large audience and all. So basically these are the stuff that AI helped us to gather information, and how can we implement the data on my project. ऐसे करके हवाई फायर एकदम मार रहा था, ठीक है. So these were the things, and the next thing that he asked me that okay ठीक है ये सब ठीक है चलता रहता है. What are skills that you have? I told him, fuck bro, मेरे पास कोई skill नहीं है. So I told that, sir, I am a quick learner and all, something like that. So sir told me, okay, quick learner is enough, but if I told you to stand there and there are 10 more people standing beside you, so how can we differentiate you? How can you differentiate yourself among them? Because all of them are quick learner and all. Yes, sir, you are completely right, but I do believe that I have that capability of understanding and grasping things and explaining it to a little child, so that he will not be able to forget it, and he will easily grasp that concept. Because I gave him an example, because I have a cousin of mine who is in 8th class, and I explained him the science and all sort of stuff in so simple language that he really forgets his teachers, and told me that भैया भैया please समझाओ समझाओ and all. So example दिया, and sir told me that okay ठीक है. So do you know about microcomputers? I told sir, yes sir, microcomputers are a small computer that are installed in a chip that is implemented on a robotic arm and something like that, which takes the data, processes it, and delivers the output. And this is what microcomputer is. Then he asked me that, do you know about, you are from mechanical, so you must be knowing about designs and 3D stuffs and all. So I don't know about that, because अगर मैं वो कह देता, then he will get into SolidWorks, and I have no idea, zero idea about that. So sir told me okay, so आपने SolidWorks वगैरह नहीं पढ़ा? नो सर, आई डोंट हैव एनी अबाउट दैट. ओके ठीक है. वहाँ मैं बच गया क्या भाई. उनको स्किल्स चाहिए, दे वांटेड स्किल्स, बट आई डिडंट हैव एनी ऑफ द स्किल्स, एंड मैं हवाई फायर मारी बस. So that was it. This was basically the interview. He told me about skills and all. I told him about कि मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ, मैं कैसे implement कर सकता हूँ and all, something like that. So basically this was the interview, and anything else, just let me figure it out. क्या था और कुछ. That was complete interview, and he told me, if do you have any questions to ask. I said no sir, I don't have any question, and that was it. Thank you sir. So I don't believe that I will pass the interview, because I don't have any necessary skills and all to accomplish that. But this interview definitely helped me to एक मिनट में देखता हूँ. But this interview definitely helped me to know something about me, that I am good in HR questions and all, but on the same time I am really bad in skills. I don't have any skills. If you ask me mechanical questions, I have zero knowledge about it. If you ask me technical questions like coding and all sort of stuff, I have zero knowledge about that. Only thing I'm good at is learning about things, and then basically what I does is, morning now I take a screenshot of the JD, job description of that company, paste it on GPT, gathers all the knowledge, try to formulate a basic interview structure, that what can they ask and how can I answer that. So this was it. I also implemented this technique in this, but it backfired me because I have zero knowledge of any skills and all. Fuck bro. And GPT told me that they will ask basic question of this and that. Although they asked me about microcomputers and I told him about that, but the rest thing they asked me about designs and all 3D stuffs and all SolidWorks, I have zero knowledge about that. The only skill that I have is communication skills, and this was it. ठीक है, मिलते हैं. If I have any other if I will have any other experience, I will surely tell it to you. So this was it. ठीक है, मिलते हैं.